What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. It is the day after my birthday. It is the first. It is New Year, so happy New Year's to you guys. Wishing y'all nothing but success and blessings this year. Spreading it all to y'all. Bro, right now I am trying to get my video to upload right now. Right now we are about to head to a Clippers game. Yeah, your boy Sean, aka Beeves, that'll getting me a car part. Like, he lied to me and shit in the last video. And it'll getting me Clipper tickets. So we're gonna go see a Clippers game. It's technically for him because he's a Clippers fan. So I'm just kind of riding along. But hey, I appreciate the gift, bro. I appreciate it. You know, basketball game, I ain't gonna turn that down. So that's what we're gonna do right now. They're outside, they're in the living room waiting. They're just saying what's up to my mom and dad because they just got back from the trip. They're saying Happy New Year's and everything. And I don't know how the settings is gonna do on this clip. I don't even know. I'm trying new settings out right now, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but hopefully it still looks good and looks the same. Nothing too different, but we're about to head out in a little bit. Not yet. The game's not until like another 2 hours, so we're just gonna kick it, chill a little bit, maybe pregame, and yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys along. We're gonna go to a game. Show you guys what's up. We're going to a Clippers game. It's just got a Laker jersey. I don't think
the disrespect is real, bro.
She's sitting with us.
I even gave her.
That's not even Michael Jordan. Oh my god, bro. It's Magic Johnson. Oh my god.
In the middle for that one, bro.
For real.
Hey, she already wearing the jersey, calling him Michael Jordan. You know what I'm saying?
So god. First, she got the name wrong. Wearing a Laker jersey to a Clippers game. She's really gonna go through it, bro. She's bold, you know.
This is for experience.
The Clippers at Miami Heat game.
Alright, so I gotta come back to the car to drop off the camera because they're telling me I can't take it in, whatever. They're like, the camera's too big, the lens is too big, it can't be detachable, all this, whatever. So I'm gonna just drop it off real quick and then go back inside and probably get some footage with my phone. Some real head asses for that, bro. I can't really didn't even think about camera. But like, it's too big and some head ass shit. That's what she said. But security guards, bro, they were young bucks too. Y'all can get off my. Anyways, it is what it is. So we got the iPhone.
Just know everyone loves my jersey, alright?
She already got pressed once.
No, but how many times did I get love? How many times did
Once.
I get love?
This how one. We're about to go to the hotel suite because B's got his like VIP suites. Me.
You're so fly, Clippers fan. So cool.
This game is getting dummy lit, bro. Look at the points. Clippers with the goal. No, we came for the straight dog. Get out of my house, you jackass. Get out of my house. Bro, so my dumb ass forgot my camera and I had it, bro. Like, but damn, check out this. Jeez, I never seen a Mansory kit on a Urus in person before, but it's been hit. No, we're here for the boot, bro. And I see some progress, bro. I see some progress. Ooh, jeez, she's coming together, y'all. She is coming together. They're obviously taking out the pieces from the other broken parts to put it all back together, but here she comes. Damn, guys, I did not expect to see it like this, but they got the wing on. And damn, she look good. Obviously, they still need to do the buffing and sanding and all that. It's still not done. That's why it looks like this, the paint. So it's still getting replaced. My broken headlight. Damn. Damn. But yeah, bro, look. They got the new lip right here. That's the Rex Speed lip. That's the new lip that's going to go on the new bumper right here. I think this is the new one. I'm not sure. It does look like the new one. Yeah, this is the new bumper. We got the lip right there. All the pieces that need to get put back on this shit. And yeah, bro, it looks like a puzzle right now because they're putting everything together little by little. But like, bro, just seeing this makes me hella excited. Oh, bro, I'm so excited right now. Y'all can't even tell, bro. But there's still a lot more work to do. A lot more. Seats still needs to get changed. All this. Windshield still getting replaced. Yeah, bro. She's coming along. Wings on. Looks good. Plate still on there. If y'all hear anything in the background, it's because they're working still, obviously. Sheesh. I would have had my camera, bro, but my dumbass literally forgot it, bro. I had it in my hand too and I forgot it. But, bro, she's looking good right now. Damn. still can't get my eyes off of it. But yeah, bro, he was just telling me that they're still missing like some clips to put on here and rear clips to put the rear bumper on. So they're still waiting on a couple parts to put the front bumper and the rear bumper on. And he did say they were missing they're waiting on a harness because one blew. So waiting on that too. So hopefully all that will be soon. And I'm thinking of buying coilovers or lowering springs. I'm not sure yet. Lowering springs would be the cheaper option to go, but I like coils. I like the coilovers too, but then again, the springs also look good and it won't get rid of the electric dampening system. And if I go coilovers, it will get rid of it. So I don't know what to do. Lowering springs will only give me like a 1/2 inch drop, I think, on both sides. It's like a 1/2 inch or 2 inch drop, I believe. Like a 1/2 inch in the front and 2 inch in the drop. I'm not sure, but I was just looking right now. The rear is like 3 of my fingers, 3.5. And then the front, let's find out. I want to say like 4 fingers. Damn, I don't know. The wheels turned, but it could probably be less. I'm either debating lowering springs or coilovers. But I gotta run it by my guy, see if he'll be able to install them or not, but we'll see. And then here are the Agile side skirts. Now you guys can get a better look at them. Didn't get to show you guys right, but here are the side skirts, bro. This shit is so sick. Got the Agile sticker up in there. No foo-foo gazy in here, you feel me? But here she is, bro. Damn, bro, this shit look. And this is sick. And he test fitted already, and he said it looks so sick, bro. I can't wait. Damn, bro, rip to this Mansory right here, bro. Damn, this is sick though, bro. I never really seen a Mansory kit on a Urus in person ever before, but damn, this shit is sick. And the red and the exhaust, bro, that's fire. Whoever's Lambo is this, fire. Bro, it's raining, but the sun's out. What the fuck make it make sense, fam? Heavy ass clouds over there, that's why. But look, it is raining, bro. What the fuck? What kind of bullshit is going on? Look at this. It's raining hard. Holy shit. Waiting on the boy George. He say he's coming right now, but I don't know where he at. But dude, look, it started raining hard. What the fuck? Bro, and the sun is out. Full ass sun is out, bro. And we got the boy George. Better be careful. Oh, annoying him. Ooh. I know that boy was about to crash. When he said chill with the MT40, I miss mine. Too lazy to grab my camera, but Big D is dipping. You leave already, bro? Oh, damn, finally. Get out. Chill. Get out of my house, bro. Oh my, go home. I'm just kidding. Hey, yo. Chill. What is good, y'all? We is in the Hondeezy right now, you feel me? We are about to head to the car shop again to actually see if they installed the windshield, because I want to see if they did or not. So actually, I ordered the coilovers. I was telling you whether I was debating on springs or coilovers, but I went with coilovers. And I went with the BC Racing coilovers, but I went with the extreme lows just so that I can have that, you know, that adjustment to be able to go lower if I wanted to. I want to go through the same thing I did with the Camry, you know, so yeah. Just decided to go with the coilovers extremes and all that. I was gonna go lowering springs, but decided, nah, I just wanna just go coilovers. Just fuck it, why not? That's what we're gonna do. And damn, bro, I ordered them last night and I just got the delivery notification, like that it arrives tomorrow. I'm literally getting 1-day shipping, which is perfect because I need to give it to them so they can install it. I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna put the car on the lift next week. I'm not sure, but it's perfect timing, bro. Couldn't have worked out any better. I'll tell you, pull up right now, see if they've done anything, and then if they did, I will show you guys right now. But let's see if they did. So boom, we are back, and they installed the rear one. So they installed this one. As you guys can see, the tape is still there, and they installed the side one. So they're probably gonna come tomorrow, he said, for this one, because he had to order it. So they're gonna do that. Still pretty much in the same spot, but yeah, I told them I'm gonna bring the coilovers tomorrow, and then probably by the time I come tomorrow, this will probably be replaced already too. And he just told me they're waiting on the front sensor and the rear sensor so they can install this. Right now, they just leaving it because the sensor obviously hasn't arrived, so they ain't gonna work on it. So the guy's gonna come tomorrow, change this out, because yeah, I told them there's a lot of rock chips, so they're gonna change this out. We already got a new one, new side one, and then we got this one installed already. It looks good. So as you guys can see, still needs some work. needs the buffing and all that. That's why the paint looks like this. So same thing as yesterday, nothing too different. Well, I'll be back tomorrow to drop off the coilovers, and yeah, and this will probably be installed tomorrow as well. So yeah, now leaving the shop, got some news. They installed the rear window and the side one. The front windshield was just so last minute for the guy that he didn't have it in stock, so he had to order it. So he said tomorrow he'll have it. Probably by the time tomorrow I come, you guys will probably see it in the next video that it's installed. But that is gonna be it for today's video. Wanted to come by, see what else was done with the Supra, but obviously we saw right now that the rear window was installed and the little side one. Waiting on the front sensor and the rear sensor so they can install that and then install the front bumper and the rear bumper. Then everything else could get installed. I don't know about the seat. They said they were either gonna fix the airbag and stitch it up, or if my seat comes in time, they'll put that one in, but we still don't know when the seat comes in, so we're still waiting on that. Then the coilovers come tomorrow, so I will be dropping that off tomorrow, and you guys will see that in the next video as well. And yeah, man, trying to push these videos out for you guys, and I hope you guys appreciate it. Like I'm telling you guys, not all the time is gonna be lit content, but I mean, the beginning of this video, we went to a basketball game, which was so dope. Shout out to the boy Sean once again for taking me. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure y'all hit that like button for your boy. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and be part of the family. Supra is almost done. We are almost done with the rebuild, but the rebuild is still gonna continue even when it's done because there's still more things to get added on. Stay tuned for that, bro. So, and it's gonna, I'm telling you, bro, the car's gonna just look so insane, bro. It is, I can't wait for y'all to see it. I can't wait for y'all to see the finished product. That's what I can't wait for you guys to see. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. This has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.